going now to the venue. It's about 3 minutes from here. Oh, hi everyone. I'm already at the venue, and well, as always, I'm the first person to be here, just waiting for the couples and also the guests to arrive, and we can now start the program. So, but before that, let me tell you what I have in my camera bag today. Let me bring my bag. This is my bag, and I got it some times ago. This is from Godox. Actually, I bought this bag with two lights, AD300 Pro. Came with this bag and also an umbrella for both lights and two stands as well. And since then, I've been using it. It's a very durable bag. It's not waterproof, but it has a cover if there's rain. So first thing first, I brought this DJI RS3 Mini. So because after the photograph, I'm gonna do some shots with this. So that's why it's very compact. That's why I always travel anywhere I go with this. And now in my bag, this laptop, in case I want to copy anything from my drive. And inside my bag, here I have my camera. This is Sony A7S3. Sony A7S3 with the Sigma 85mm 1.4. This is it. So this is my B camera for photography, and it's my A camera for videography. Aside from that, I have my ultimate A7 III. Yeah, this guy is amazing. Yeah, I've been using this camera for like 3 years now, and I've never regretted using it. It's still my A camera for photography. And on this camera, I have the 24-70 lens, f2.8 lens. I still have it here. Also in my bag, I have this GoPro. Yeah, I normally use this for BTS, but I don't think there's gonna be a BTS today because the room we are using for the ceremony is quite small. It can only fit up to 8 people. Yeah. So I have the Godox V1 flash. So this is on-camera flash, and the battery is also here. Yeah, you see it. You can test it by flashing it. Yeah, you can see that. I can flash it. It's working. I've been using this guy as well for quite some time, and it's a very good on-camera flash. So other than that, I have a couple of batteries in case I run out of the battery in my camera now. So I have a couple of extra batteries to go with it. And this as well, this is the extra battery for my GoPro. And one good thing about this this case is that it can also charge my battery. So once I put my battery inside it, it's going to start charging it. So I like this as well. I have this power bank to charge my phone or any other thing if I want to charge. Yeah. Also, I always prepare myself anytime I'm going for a shoot to bring a drone in case there's any opportunity to fly it. So I always bring it along with me. This guy as well, I've been using this drone. This is DJI Mavic Air 2. I've been using it for quite a bit, and it gives amazing shots. So anywhere I'm traveling to, I always like to go with it. I also have my charger here for my batteries, and that's everything I have in my bag. That's what I have in the main bag. In the pouch area, this is the pouch for my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which I'm recording on right now. And I have a grid. Yeah, this always stays in my bag. Yeah, but the soft box is not here. And this is what I use in case I'm carrying two cameras, so I just attach it here. Yeah, this strap for it, so I just wear it and attach the camera there. That's all I have in my camera bag. And lastly, before I forget, one last thing to go. This is my memory card case. So yeah, we have all the memory cards, all the SD cards that I use for all my cameras. So I always keep it safe. So yeah, that's all I have in my camera bag. So in case you want to invest in 2025, that's starting from next month, always look at something very compact that you can actually carry without hurting your back, or something that you know that you can actually go everywhere with. So there's no point investing on gears that are bulky that you don't really need. So where the world is going now, we're actually going to the extent that this phone here can record in 4K. Yeah, so the world is just moving and we have to move with it. So if you can record, if you can get the best quality on the gear you are using, just continue using it. There's no point investing in something that you're not using. So that's my advice for today, and I will see you in the next video. But I will be sharing all the pictures taken from today as well, if I'm permitted to do that, because I need to ask the couples if I can share the pictures on social media. So yeah, get ready to see the pictures, and if I don't post it, that means they don't want me to post the pictures. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.